Hey guys, my name's Ashley and this is my first YouTube video, and it's a makeup look inspired by Farrah from RuPaul's All Stars 4. That was a tongue twister. Not really. But I really like the look and I hope you guys like it. I did my little twist on it because I know she did bottom lashes. I didn't. But you guys, you see the look, you'll see it. It's pretty cute. It's cute. I picked up my daughter from school, so you can wear it anywhere. And if people look at you, it's because they're jealous, because that's what happened to me. People were staring at me when I picked up my daughter from school. It's like, what? Bite me. Yes, I know. You wish you could pick your daughter up this good. You wish you could look this good picking up your daughter, but you can't because you're being a hater. But if you don't want to be a hater, keep watching because I want to see you guys. Tag me in it. I'm gonna link my Instagram down so you guys can follow me and tag me in the photo of you guys recreating the look because it's cute. I feel like I said that 20 times. Did I say that 20 times? I feel like I did, but I liked it.
Okay, so right now I'm just brushing my eyebrows with the Anastasia angled brush. And I'm using NYX Tame Frame in the color Espresso. And I'm just gonna brush that through the brows where I have hair, and I don't have the tail end to the brow, and I didn't add how I did it because it just took way too long. So, but if you guys wanted to see one, I can do one. It just took way too long, like way too long. So I'm just showing where I do the front so you guys could kind of get the gist of it. And then after that, I am gonna go over it with to connect the tail end and like where I have hair. I'm gonna go over with some darker powder, and it's just a dark brown in the Morphe James Charles palette. And I'm just using another angled brush. It's from Morphe too, to do that. And I'm doing the same thing on the other brow. And now I'm just going with concealer, and it's the L'Oreal Infallible Glow in Classic Ivory. I'm just using like a flat brush, you can say, to like blend it out. And I'm just using that to like clean up the brow. I'm doing the same thing on the other one. And this brush has the concealer has like a brush, so it's just easy to just splat it on there. And I'm just blending it with my finger. And I'm using the Morphe eyelid primer on the rest of like my lid, and I'm blending that out with my finger. And I think I added too much, but it's fine. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. I guess the eyeshadows work better with eyelid primer, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna set it with like this fluffy brush from Morphe. I'm sorry I don't have the name for it, but I'm setting it with the white from the James Charles palette as well. I'm just setting that. And I like to set things, you don't have to. I just always feel comfortable setting it. Even when I put concealer all over my eyelid primer, I don't know, I like it. And now I'm getting the yellow with another Morphe brush, and I'm putting that in the inner corner, you could say. Not really inner corner, like above the crease, but inner. And I'm blending. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye, just the same thing. And then you just pack on as much as you need, and then you just blend it. And yeah, I'm just adding more. If you can hear me swallowing my saliva, oh my god. I almost burped. Oh my god, I'm adding so much. It's good. Now I'm getting the pink, and I'm using another. That one's not Morphe. That's from a brush that I got from BoxyCharm. But I'm just blending that in the middle. I'm blending it together with the yellow because it just, so it looks good. It's not just packed on. Just blend it in with the yellow. And it's also the hot pink shade from the Morphe James Charles palette. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. And I'm just packing it on and blending it, packing it on and blending it. Almost burped. Okay, now, no, I'm still doing the fucking pink. Forgive me, this is my first time doing a video, so I may have been looking somewhere else, or not really, focusing on the camera, and I am sorry. With the yellow. And now I'm gonna grab the, not the darkest purple, but the light purple, you could say. Yeah, that's the light purple. And I'm putting that in the end of the crease? The end of the outer V, I guess. It's just at the end. And it's okay if you go over it, because I cleaned it up with like a makeup remover and a Q-tip, or you can just use a makeup wipe just to clean up where you kind of went overboard and you kind of went over a little bit. And that is a Morphe brush. I believe it is. But I'm gonna take a look again, but I think it's Morphe. I think that was my brother that walked in. That's why I was laughing. He was calling the dog. So you just blend it with the pink and blend it. Circular motion. Yeah, circular motion. Yeah, because I went out way too much, and I'm just gonna clean it up with a Q-tip and makeup remover. Oops, I think I moved it. Okay, now I'm just going over what I did. I'm adding more pink, blending it, and then I'm gonna add yellow and blend it as well. Just add more yellow because I felt like it kind of got washed out, and then just go all over, blend it together. Okay, and now I'm still blending. So yeah, just keep on blending. And yeah, I was adding more pink. Okay, so no, I'm still blending. I lied. I was gonna start talking about what I was gonna do next, but I'm still blending. It's okay if you get some like on your lid. You can clean that up with concealer. Try to focus it above the lid, but sometimes it's hard. So now I'm going in with the same concealer I used for the brow, and I'm just packing it on with a Morphe flat brush. And yeah, I'm just packing it on there, blending it with my finger. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And you can go even more above to make it more look like a cut crease if you wanted to. I just didn't do that, but it's up to you. So I did the same thing, and now I'm just packing on the white again from the Morphe James Charles palette. Just packing it on there. And I think I switched brushes because that's a Morphe brush, and I'm gonna switch, and I'm just gonna use like a e.l.f. concealer brush. Yeah, that's when I switched and started using that one instead. And this is where I go clean up the mess I did. I'm still going over it, but I'm cleaning it. And eyeliner. I did the eyeliner off camera, sorry, and I'm just cleaning up where I messed up with the same brush I used to carve out the brows, you could say. I'm just using that to clean up where I messed up with the eyeliner. The same thing on the other eye. And I'm putting on the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Ready foundation. I'm lying, that is primer. That was a MAC Prep and Prime. Now I'm adding the Wet n Wild thing. The Wet n Wild foundation. And I'm starting off in sections just because it dries out fast. I think the foundation dries out fast. And I'm using just the regular Real Technique beauty sponge. And I'm trying not to focus it under the eye because we're gonna go over that with concealer, so it really doesn't matter. You don't really need to put anything there unless you're putting like color corrector or something, but I try not to put foundation there so it won't look too cakey. And you can cover the pimple, like put, I guess, like color corrector or put concealer over it. I just I didn't because I don't know. I don't care if it's one pimple, so I didn't really care if you saw it or not. It's fine. And then we're gonna go over blending down the neck. Don't forget to blend down the neck. Now we're gonna use the same concealer we've been using. Put that under the eyes. A good amount, like I did, I guess. And just blend it out with the same thing. And I think I put some on the bridge of the nose. Yeah, I did. I'm just blending it out. Yeah, I put some there, and I think I put some on my forehead. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm putting some on the bridge of the nose. And now to set my under eyes, I'm using the airspun brush, not the airspun brush, the airspun translucent powder. I lost my train of thought. Translucent powder under my eyes. And I'm using another Morphe, like, I guess it's for under eye setting, I guess, or you can use it for whatever, but I'm just coating it. And I'm gonna put the Ardell wispy lashes, and I'm just gonna do that with some duo eyelash glue. I didn't add it on the video because I was like, all you saw was the top of my head when I was doing that, so like you couldn't even see me doing it. But that was my bad because I wanted you guys to see, but you just couldn't. And now I have my eyelashes on, and you just add some mascara to blend it together. And now I'm putting mascara on the bottom eyelash. You could kind of see me, kind of not see me doing it, but that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm just adding more mascara. Okay, so now I am going to, what am I going to do? I forgot. Okay, now I'm just adding some bronzer, and it's Wet n Wild one, and it's the color Dulce de Leche. Yeah, Dulce de Leche. And I'm just using another Morphe, like kind of like angled brush, you can say. Yeah, angled. I'm just putting that on like the cheekbone, under the cheekbone, but I'm going a little above so I can kind of blend down. And I'm just going under the jawline, I guess, and then I'm gonna put some on the side, like the side of the forehead, I guess. Oh my god, it looks so good. Damn, I don't know why I did this. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with another Morphe. I heard someone coming in. Okay, now I'm just adding more because you can never add too much. Okay, now I'm gonna add blush, and the blush I'm gonna add is from Ipsy. I got it from an Ipsy bag, but it's like a pinky shade. I'm just using another Morphe brush to blend that in. I said it before I even showed you. Okay, now I'm gonna put the blush. Just put it on the apples of the cheek, and then I put a little bit on the nose, just because I don't know why I did it. I just guess it's like a thing, so that's why I did it. And I'm smiling. Oh my god, my cheeks are huge, so oh, I burped. I finally burped. Now I'm just gonna put in some of the Anastasia Amrezi highlighter Amrezi on the inner corner of the eye, and on the brow bone, under the brow bone. Just add some there. And I'm gonna do the same thing for, is it like above the cheeks, I think? On this, I don't know what is that called? Where you normally put on highlighter. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna put it on right now. Oh my god, everybody's so loud. Yeah, there I go. Just adding some, because you can add a lot if you wanted to. I really don't care. Sometimes I add a lot, sometimes I forget, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. Okay. So now I'm just adding some lip gloss, and I got this from BoxyCharm, and it's the Tarte one, the Tarteist lip gloss, and I didn't put lip liner or anything. I just didn't want to. But you can add lip liner and put lip gloss over it, or just put like a nude lipstick or whatever lipstick you want, you could say. But I just I tend to not wear lipstick a lot when I do my makeup. I don't know why. I tend to always put lip gloss. I don't know. And now you put your frizzy hair down. Well, it doesn't look that frizzy, but it is frizzy. And you're gonna add some setting spray. I'm using the NYX one, the dewy one. That's me going to get it. And that's me spraying it. And now you're done. No, but yeah, I was done. That was it. I was just looking at myself, making sure I looked good. No, I was adding more highlighter under the brow bone, because you can never get enough of it. And yeah, that's the look. I don't know, I like it. I really like it. So thank you guys for watching. That's the final look. I hope you guys like it, and leave me a comment. Thank you guys. Oh look, I'm still going. Okay, thank you guys.